Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science VSSN Standard 5. Today, now what we are doing, we recall the term 1 portion. Now, today we are going to recall lesson 3 energy. We already recalled the types of energy. What are the types? Mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy. 3 types we already recall. Today we are going to recall the light energy, electrical energy and chemical energy. First, light energy. Light is a form of energy which travel in the form of wave. It consists of particles called photon, which are the mini packet of energy. It is only form of energy visible to human eye. Light does not receive any medium to travel. It travels at a speed of 3 lakhs kilometers. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Now we see the uses of light energy. We are able to see object with the help of light energy. Plant use light energy to synthetic their food, photosynthesis their food, prepare. Then plant. With the help of sunlight, our skin is able to synthetic vitamin D. They give energy, so only our skin is blooming. Then electricity. The electricity can produce with the help of light energy, sunlight. Okay, these are the uses of light energy. We already discussed. Now we are going recalling. Then electrical energy. We know that all the things are made up of atoms. Atom possess particles like protons, electrons, neutrons. Movement of electrons in the object causes on energy. This energy is called electrical energy. In our daily life, we use batteries to get electrical energy. The electrical energy is also generated from nuclear power plant, hydroelectrical plants, and windmills. It's also generated from solar energy also. Now we recall the uses of electrical energy. Electrical energy is needed for working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerating, etc. Electronic iron box, electric stove, and electric water heater work by electrical energy. It is used to run cars and trains. It is used in factories to produce materials. Then electrical eel. This is a one living thing, one fish. They live in water. They generate electric energy by which energy to defend itself against its procedure. They attend enemies. The enemies come and attack this fish. This electric eel is a fish. They attack. The electricity will be produced. That time they will die. Okay, this is the uses of electrical energy. Next, chemical energy. Last energy is chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in substance when atoms join together to form chemical component. When two or more chemical substance react with each other, this energy is released. Okay. Now we see the uses of chemical energy. The food we eat contains chemical energy that only give energy to us in our body. So chemical energy is wood. Provide heat energy which helps to cook food. Okay. Then chemical energy in coal is used to generate electricity. Then battery we use in our daily life contain chemical energy. The fuel like petrol and diesel possess chemical energy which is used to run vehicles. These are the uses of chemical energy. Next, we are going to recall the conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created and it can be destroyed also. It can change from one form to another form or transfer from one object to another object. We see many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. First, children, do you know the conservation of energy states that the energy can neither be created nor be discovered. One form of energy is converted into another form of energy. This law was given by the eternal definition of conservation of energy. This is given by Julius Robert Mayer, one scientist. Okay, first conservation of energy is water dam. The water stored in water dams process potential energy. When water falls down, the potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of water rotates the turbines and the electrical energy is generated. This way the conservation of energy will be passing. Then electrical appliances. The electric energy is used in many domestic appliances such as electrical stove, iron bars and fan. The electrical energy flow into the coil in the device. As current flow, it heats up the coil. With the help of this heat energy, we do many useful works. Thus, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. The electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in fans, light, fan. The light energy is in bulb and sound energy in computers. This way also the energy will be conservation. Then driving a car. We use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles. When this fuel burn in the engine, the chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Chemical energy is like liquid items. The burning fuel produces hot gases which pushes the piston in the energy to move the vehicles. Thus, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. The photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, we already know that what is photosynthesis. The photosynthesis changes solar energy into chemical energy. How? They absorb the sunlight, then only they prepare the food. So, that food is the chemical energy. Okay, children, I hope that you recall this lesson. Today homework, you have to study this lesson question answer. Okay, you have today homework. What? Today homework, you have to study this lesson question answer. Children, I hope that you recall this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.